Recently got my shipment in from JLC PCB. Designed a PCB that, maybe someday might do fuel injection. I'm not sure yet. I have a lot of coding to figure out. But yesterday, took one of these fancy boards right here. And today, as far as I know, nobody's taken a Wemos D2 or D1 Mini and made some kind of fuel injection out of it. These things are dirt cheap. I say you can pick them up for less than $5, and I want to try doing something with that. They can be cranked up all the way to 160 megahertz, which is a lot faster than a nano. But yesterday I loaded all the components onto this one. Yes, there's a resistor missing, and yes, I know the red LED does not work. My heart's not broken. This is probably not the world's best job of soldering. I survived. It's rough at best, but I survived. I got it done. Not too proud of it, but I think it's going to work. I just loaded a flash program or a blank program on the Wemos and flashed it to it, and I plugged it in. This is the first time that this chip has been on this board with power on it. I put power on it before. The blue LED comes on, and I've got my 3.3 volt right there, and I got my 5 volt regulator there, and they are both working fine. No smoke came out, so it's a good day. But I made a blink sketch. I got a little light bulb hooked up here in series. That's going to battery positive. The other end should ground back through the board. Got that hooked up to P2, D6. So let's add the ground and see what happens here. Oh, we've got light. It's working. I am so happy. This is awesome. Woo-woo! All right. Now at least I know that the CPU can toggle and it's going to work okay. So awesome.